Hello, sir.
Is it Neil?
Yes, sir. Yes, I
Neil,
am, sir.
put your camera on. I can't see you.
Sir, I am not in a situation to on my camera
Okay,
because
okay,
I have taken a vaccine yesterday. So that's
okay.
why.
No problem. Chalo, we'll talk. We'll talk. No issues at all. Tell me,
Sir,
Neil.
what steps should we have to take to make the environment clean or to aware the people about the environment causes and everything? It is the
F-
main reason can be
Yes.
arises.
First of all, is your health okay, Neil? With vaccine, are you suffering from
No,
some?
means a little bit I have cold because I
Okay.
taken vaccine yesterday.
Which vaccine have you taken? Covishield or Covaxin?
COVID shield, sir.
Covishield. Okay. Please take care of self. To answer your question, start with your home first. Start with yourself first. Environmental protection or love for Mother Nature, as I call it, starts with you. So take some small steps at your personal level. As I told before, in your bag, carry tiffin, carry your own water bottle, carry on tea, coffee mug, you know all these you do. Then at home, reduce the garbage. Then step out to do what we do, clean beaches, clean environment, then training up people. The problem of environment, especially where plastic is concerned in Mother Nature, it's at different stages. So I have told you about one stage which I call pre-litter. Pre-litter means before we generate any garbage, how do you reduce the garbage? But once it's generated, how to handle it, and once it's thrown in the environment, how to handle it. So that is very important. All these steps we'll have to take, and do a little bit what I call baby steps, Neil. Keep on doing small things, and eventually it will become big. We underestimate small things. We think, oh, what will happen if I did it? Imagine if I had not gone for that beach cleanup 6 years back, and I'd looked at that Warsaw around 2.5 kilometers of the beach, and I would have said, oh my God, what can I do, alone person? Look what happened. I started it. A lot of people got inspired. A lot of them
Hello, sir.
joined. Yes.
Sorry to interrupt, but
Yes, Neil.
we should make the aware to other also to make the clean of our surrounding. So
Yes,
it is the
absolutely.
responsibility of not yours only, na.
Yes, I
Our
completely
responsibility
agree.
is also to clean up the
It's a it's a
beaches
colle-
and all the things.
it's a
We are
collective
living in
responsibility.
environment.
Yes, Neil, I completely agree. It's a collective responsibility. We must fulfill. Neil, I'll explain to you when you talk about responsibility of a freedom fighter. I don't know how many of you all have heard of him called Khudiram Bose. Have you heard of him, Neil? Khudiram Bose?
No, sir, not
I must
here,
tell
but
you. Please
I,
read
I
about
must
him.
glad to hear it.
Please read about him. When you Google his name, you'll get it. But I must tell you what he did. When you talked about the responsibility, he was 18 or 19-year-old living in West Bengal, Muzaffarpur, I think. And I happened to read his session court judgment and high court judgment. He was very angry with the British for what they were doing to India. And, there was a judge there who used to sentence Indians to different kinds of punishment. So he got very angry and he told that this judge is not doing right and I'll kill him. Now nobody is suggesting even remotely that killing is a good way, but that's what his way of expressing love for the country was then. We were under a foreign rule, a British Empire was over our head. He took a gun and had a shot at the judge. The judge got saved, but some other woman died. You won't believe he ran from there, fleeing the British police. For some 80 or 100 kilometers, he was walking and running away. He and one of his colleagues. Imagine a 19-year-old boy feeling like this for country. How many 19-year-olds now think like that? We all want to become, film actors, sports actors, cricketers, footballer, the corporates, big industrialists. And here was a boy, 19-year-old, exercising his choice to die for this country. And at 19, he felt the urge to do something for the country. Similarly was Bhagat Singh. And eventually, when he was caught, he was produced before a judge. Sentence was passed to hang him. Okay. At High Court, again, it was told that it was confirmed. And, you have a picture of him being taken for the gallows, the last picture. You have to look at the smiling face of the 19-year-old. I don't know how many of us can do it at a young age like this. So these are inspirations of our country. We look for inspiration among cricketers. We look for inspiration among actors. We look inspiration from our industrialists. The younger generation, I personally feel, to my mind, we have lost touch with these people who actually stood for the country. I don't know of any 19-year-old at his age who said that I will die for this country. And that's Khudiram Bose. Anil, if you get a chance, if all of you all are listening, Please search, Google his name. You'll get a Wikipedia page. You'll get a judgment of the High Court.
Sir, can you tell again whose name it is?
Khudiram Bose.
Can you prompt that name?
Khudiram Bose.
Okay, sir.
Khudiram Bose. So all of y'all must learn about these young kids who sacrificed their life, and he's my hero. He'll be my hero all my life. He's the hero of this nation. And if you see the whole background of what prompted him, and now we are not being told to kill people up or take, violent stand. What we are being told, reduce garbage. What we are being told, be responsible, as you said. What we are being told, fulfill your duty. That's all. We are living, you and me enjoy this freedom because of people like Khudiram Bose. They gave up their life for us, you and me, to enjoy this nation. If they hadn't done it, the Britishers would not have gone off from this country. So
Sir,
you must read about his life, and when I meet you next time, please tell me more about him. I would love to hear from
sir,
you.
but as a collective responsibility, that our responsibility also there to do something for our country or to make this secure for the nation. Na? So it is not a responsibility of yours only to make that correct or make that anything in the point of view. So our responsibility also there, sir. So,
absolutely.
But sir, how can we convey this to a people that their responsibility is to make the nation clean and green environment?
As I answered the other one, do and talk. That's the most effective method of handling. Do and talk. First, do yourself and make others also do. Collectively do like we do. On my social media, if you go, once we clean, once we reduce plastic, what we do, I do, and then I talk. So that's a very effective way of telling people up, and which our freedom fighters also did. Do and talk. Use this method. Use this method to convey to people.
Sir, we should have to apply for ourselves, then we have to convey to others, na?
Yes, Neil. I completely agree. तुम्ही बोलताच तेच correct approach आहे. Apply to yourself and then convey. Thank you, Neil.
Welcome, sir. Thank you.
Pratik, tell me.
Yes, sir. Shubham has mentioned that the wet garbage and dry garbage are mixed up by the BMCs. So in rural area, that wet garbage can be used for fertilizer processes. In urban area, what can we do? Like kitchen waste garbage is like.
See, at my home, I do that. If you live in a cooperative society, what you could do is I make garbage at home. Compost at home with wet garbage, and then you bury it in your cooperative society. So you can do that. And now you have tumbler systems also. A lot of societies have installed that. So in cities also you can make compost, and the gardens are there. You can feed those to the plant. No problem of making compost. But the ideal thing should be if on a ward level, every ward, if the BMC puts up a compost plant there and there itself in the ward of turning everything, that would be a good start.
Okay. But the issue is that there are less ground now, and many buildings have been built up, like constructive work has done. So
but in the society compound there are buildings, so you can put. I do that in my building. I give the compost there in the ground, so you can do that. That shouldn't be a problem.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Pratik.
Be the change you want to see. Love humanity, love environment, love your country, and love your planet.
प्लास्टिक की इन लहरों में, प्लास्टिक के इन शहरों में, प्लास्टिक सा बेजज्बाती ये दिल हो गया। वो मेरे बचपन का सवेरा, रेत पे लहरों का फेरा, पंछियों कछुओं का बसेरा, सब कुछ खो गया। हाँ मुझे इंतजार है तेरे फिर से आने का, दिल बेकरार है इस दीवाने का। समंदर से हाँ मुझे प्यार है इस धरती से, इस अंबर से, हाँ मुझे प्यार है समंदर से, हाँ मुझे प्यार है इस दुनिया से, मेरे इस घर से, हाँ मुझे प्यार है। प्यार है मुझे इन लहरों से, हाँ प्यार है मुझे इन हवाओं से, प्यार है मुझे मेरी नदियों से, हाँ प्यार है मुझे मेरे पेड़ों से।
वो झाड़ क्या बोल रहा है सुनो, झाड़ क्या बोल रहा है सुनो। कोई लहरें हमसे बात करना चाहती है, अब वो बातचीत करना हमको शुरू करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए। डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया नेचर से।
प्लास्टिक का शुक्रिया अदा, प्लास्टिक ने साथ जो दिया, मिसयूज न करेंगे इसे ये वादा कर लिया।
समझदार है अब ये इंडिया, अब तैयार है पूरी दुनिया, खूबसूरत जहाँ का जिम्मा हमने ले लिया।
हाँ मुझे एतबार है सबके मिल जाने का, दिल बेकरार है हर दीवाने का। समंदर से हाँ मुझे प्यार है, इस धरती से, इस अंबर से, हाँ मुझे प्यार है समंदर से, हाँ मुझे प्यार है इस दुनिया से, मेरी इस घर से, हाँ मुझे प्यार है। मोरी चुनरिया रंगने, रंगने गवा
धरती 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 मेरी माँ है, मुझको प्यार है मेरी माँ से, मिट्टी पानी दरिया पंछी और बहती हवा से। धरती मेरी माँ है, मेरी जान इस पे कुर्बान है, माँ की सेवा करना मैंने माँ से ही सीखा। इस माँ की ममता देखो, हर दर्द अकेले सहती है, हमको सांसें देने के लिए दिन रात ये मेहनत करती है। नदियों में बहती है, सागर में ढलती है, हमको छांव देती है, सूरज में तपती है। ये कोई नहीं कर सकता बस माँ ही करती है, ये कोई नहीं कर सकता बस माँ ही करती है। आओ मिलके इस माँ की सेवा में हम लग जाए, हर शय से पत्थर से पेड़ों से गले लग जाए, क्योंकि धरती सबकी माँ है। चलो प्यार करें इस माँ से, मिट्टी पानी दरिया पंछी और बहती हवा से।